company name is Gold Seal Mechanical. We do business as Gold Seal Plumbing, and our company is all about plumbing. My job is Vice President of Business Development, and I oversee our call center, HR, marketing, and IT. I would recommend Intermax to other businesses, and one of the reasons is anytime I have an issue with the phone or the call center says something is not working perfectly, either send them an email and they get back to me within an hour. If I call, I can get through to a person. If it's an emergency, they get back to me, they are on the phone with me, and they solve the problem right then. And so their service has been exceptional.